Today, we will embark on a journey to Japan to learn about one of the most expensive fruits in the world, the black watermelon. This fruit is not just a fruit, but also a symbol of the hard work and dedication of Japanese farmers. On this journey, we will enjoy the beautiful orchard landscapes and meet the dedicated farmers who take care of these precious melons. The journey begins with tiny seeds. Farmers in Japan are not merely planting crops, they pour their hearts and souls into their work, using skills honed over generations. The black watermelon seeds are carefully selected to ensure the best quality. These seeds are then planted in an ideal environment where temperature and humidity are meticulously controlled. As the young sprouts emerge, farmers take meticulous care of them, monitoring each stage of growth from a tiny sprout to a mature plant ready for pollination. This stage requires patience and special attention because any mistake can affect the quality of the melons later. One of the most critical steps in growing black watermelons is pollination. Farmers must hand-pollinate each flower to ensure a successful harvest. This task demands precision and extensive knowledge of the plants. Manual pollination not only increases the fruit set rate, but also ensures that each melon is of the highest quality. To protect the young watermelons, farmers use a special cover. This cover shields the fruit from harsh elements such as wind and rain, allowing them to grow strong and mature perfectly. The cover also helps maintain ideal temperature and humidity conditions, providing a conducive environment for the fruit's development. Throughout the growing process, farmers closely monitor their crops. They continually check the temperature and humidity inside the greenhouse to ensure the perfect growing environment. Additionally, they examine the color and firmness of the melons to determine the optimal harvest time. Farmers do not hesitate to work long hours, dedicating every minute to caring for their watermelon plants. They understand that every step in this process is crucial and directly impacts the quality of the melons. From watering to fertilizing, everything is done meticulously and accurately. When the watermelons begin to ripen, farmers frequently check their color and firmness to determine the right harvest time. This monitoring requires attention to detail to ensure the melons are harvested at their peak ripeness, when they are the sweetest and most flavorful. This stage is crucial because even a small mistake can affect the taste and quality of the melon. The harvesting process is done by hand to ensure each watermelon is handled with care. Farmers inspect each melon individually, selecting only those that meet standards for size, shape, and color. After harvesting, the melons are taken to the workshop for another quality check. Here, farmers use modern equipment to measure the sugar content and water percentage, ensuring the melons are at their optimal sweetness and juiciness. Once the melons have passed the quality checks, they move on to the packaging process. Farmers use polishing equipment to give the melons a glossy finish. This not only enhances the fruit's appearance, but also protects the rind from damage during transport. The watermelons are packed in special packaging such as protective foam and high-quality boxes. This packaging not only protects the fruit during transport, but also showcases its beauty, making it even more appealing to consumers. Each box is carefully packed to ensure that when it reaches the consumer, the watermelon remains in pristine condition. Japanese farmers have blended modern technology with age-old traditions in growing black watermelons. They use specialized machines to measure the sugar content and water percentage, ensuring the melons are at their optimal sweetness and juiciness. The use of these machines allows for more accurate measurements compared to traditional methods, resulting in higher yields of top-quality fruit. The combination of technology and tradition has produced black watermelons of exceptional quality. This not only enhances the value of the fruit, but also affirms the status of Japanese farmers in the agricultural sector. When you cut open a black watermelon, you can see the juicy red flesh glistening under the light. The aroma is captivating, and the sweetness is irresistible. The texture is firm and succulent, with a rich and complex flavor that has a hint of earthiness, setting it apart from other watermelons. When you take a bite, the juice bursts in your mouth and the sweetness lingers on your taste buds. It is truly a sensory experience that you will never forget. This is a truly special treat that will leave you wanting more. Japanese farmers have poured not only their labor and time, but also their heart and passion into each black watermelon. When selling these melons, they can command a price of over 500,000 yen, demonstrating the value of their hard work and dedication. This is not just an economic achievement, but also a source of pride in the quality of their product and a testament to their standing in the agricultural industry. As we see both children and adults enjoying this delicious and succulent fruit, it brings a smile to our faces and a sense of satisfaction, knowing that the farmer's labor has been well rewarded. And as we conclude this journey, we cannot help but extend our gratitude to the farmers and all the hardworking individuals in various fields who make it possible for us to enjoy such luxuries. Farewell, and see you on our next journey.